Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if keeps crashing on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting and click on my phone. After click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, scroll down and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset all settings and click on reset, enter phone pin and click on this icon. You will see your phone is so you will see reset all settings. So you will check your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so last solution is factory reset. Click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone and click on factory reset. Enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix keeps crashing on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.